Right there. I don't need to do this because, like, I only understand 43 something percent. That's not even half of what's going on here. The agents do understand 100% of this terrorist cell. There's a door. You hear them. So the terrorist was in there with the water. We know. Into the murder room. And then off they go. There's one there. I heard stepping on the heaters. I heard the body. You can hear the fucking freak moving around. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet for only a few minutes, dude. There's an alarm. I don't know if this is catching because the phone's so hacked. So there's been alarms back, but they don't have to tell the military this. They know all this somehow. You must have some serious surveillance going on here. Probably. The alarms have been going off up there in the hallway, up there, that way, up the house, floor 3 for at least 2 months. Alarms, all that shit, all over again. They're not gonna stop. No, they make bombs here and they fucking kill people and they get paid for this shit and they're not giving it up. They're living the life of Riley here. So there's a something there. I'm thinking it's a door. Definitely one there because that shit's so obvious. It's overt. They're not trying to hide that. And one time I was right here standing and someone dropped, the body dropped, or that was clear, man. You know, dude. And they had come in the hatch. And there's another barnyard door there. And then there's this closet of the white female terrorist. This is your heaven when you get in here, I know. And it's going to bring down Trump and Biden big time. Oh, hell yeah. And whoever else he's riding with. Okay, so they're in there leaving notes. These are the heaters that were in the house. So this is all contrived for his thugs to come here. And I'm just asking God and I'm asking the Navy SEALs to keep these thugs the fuck away from me, okay? Because they're all over this house. They're fucking violent. You know the murders they're fucking guilty of. We know when I'm smelling them. We know these chemicals are straight fucking felony charges. All right? And they're all over the place today. The house is ice fucking cold, by the way. And there's music going, terrorists making bombs in and out, cracks and cronies. All right? Come on in. Come on in, Navy SEALs. Come on in.